Cross-site scripting gives hackers a chance to use their own malicious scripts and run them in a user's web browser, because vulnerable websites allow code to be run from untrusted domains. Website administrators who want to prevent cross-site scripting can use an HTTP header called Content Security Policy to help stop these types of attacks from working. Content Security Policy, or CSP for short, allows administrators to choose which domains and what kind of content are allowed to be executed in the user's web browser. CSP can be used to restrict content from any domain except for the ones that are specified. It can also be used to restrict media, such as images, audio, and video. CSP can even be used to specify that scripts can only be run from certain trusted domains. Here's an analogy to help you understand how a content security policy works. My daughter goes to a preschool where some of the kids are allergic to certain kinds of nuts. In order to protect these kids from severe allergic reactions, none of the parents are allowed to send their kids to school with meals or snacks from home. All of the food served at school is either made on site or brought in through a centrally approved process. A website administrator using a content security policy to specify that code can only be run from certain domains is kind of like my daughter's preschool director enforcing a policy that says its students can only consume food that is provided to them by the center when they're at school. Content security policy is pretty cool, but keep in mind that it's not a silver bullet. Today, it's compatible with several web and mobile browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, WebView for Android, and Safari, but it's not completely supported for Internet Explorer. CSP also needs to be specified on a page-by-page basis. This allows for website administrators to specify domain execution in a granular fashion, and it also means that you do need to think about it every single time you develop a web page.